Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Hatchbox PLA Black is probably one of the most popular and versatile 3D printing filaments available, offering a fantastic balance of quality, affordability, and ease of use for creators of all levels, making it a go-to choice for bringing your digital designs into the physical world with vibrant, consistent results. Number 5. Hatchbox 1.75mm Black PLA Filament. Introducing the Hatchbox 1.75mm Black PLA Filament, a top-quality material for your 3D printing needs. This 1 kg spool offers dimensional accuracy for precise prints. Unlock your creativity with our hassle-free PLA filament. It's designed for a seamless 3D printing experience and is compatible with most mainstream printers. Whether you're new to 3D printing or a seasoned pro, this filament is made with consistency in mind. It allows for easy setup and the ability to push design limits. Experience clog, bubble, and tangle-free printing. Our PLA minimizes warping and odor, and is vacuum sealed to prevent moisture absorption for high detail resolution. We are trusted in the 3D printing community for producing the highest quality PLA. Get the best in 3D printing technology at an unbeatable price. This filament comes on a 1 kg spool with a 1.75mm diameter and dimensional accuracy of plus 0.03mm. Recommended nozzle temperature is between 180 degrees Celsius and 210 degrees Celsius. What we like. This filament offers exceptional dimensional accuracy and is designed to be clog-free and bubble-free. If you are looking for a reliable and hassle-free printing experience with minimal post-processing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for users who want to focus on their designs rather than troubleshooting print issues. What people say. Great filament, prints very well with my Ender 3. This filament is easy to print with and has a nice matte finish. The Hatchbox PLA filament produces consistent results and adheres well to the print bed. Number 4. Hatchbox 1.75mm White PLA Filament. Introducing the Hatchbox 1.75mm White PLA Filament, a premium choice for your 3D printing needs. This 1 kg spool offers exceptional quality and ease of use. Experience superior dimensional accuracy with a tolerance of plus 0.03mm. This ensures your prints come out exactly as you designed them, every time. Unlock your creativity with our hassle-free PLA filament. It's designed for a seamless 3D printing experience and is compatible with most mainstream printers. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this filament is perfect for you. It's made with quality and consistency in mind, making it easy to get started or push your designs further. Enjoy clog, bubble, and tangle-free printing. Our PLA is formulated for minimal warping and virtually no odor, even without a heated bed. It's vacuum sealed with desiccant to prevent moisture absorption, ensuring high detail resolution for all your projects. Join the 3D printing community that trusts Hatchbox for the highest quality filaments. We offer a wide selection at unbeatable prices, delivering the best in 3D printing technology. What we like. This option provides the same great print quality with a clean white finish, ensuring dimensional accuracy and a clog-free experience. If you need a versatile white filament for a wide range of projects, from prototypes to artistic models, this is an excellent pick. Its consistency makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. What people say. This Hatchbox True Blue PLA is consistent, easy to print with, and produces great results. The color is vibrant, and the filament feeds smoothly with no tangles or jams. Bed adhesion is solid, layer lines come out clean, and it has a nice matte sheen once printed. Virtually no odor and excellent diameter accuracy, a top-quality filament that always performs well. This blue PLA is just solid, dependable stuff, smooth feeding, consistent diameter, and a finish that looks clean without trying too hard. Prints come out strong with good layer adhesion, and the color has a nice depth to it once it's down. I didn't run into any brittleness or odd behavior, and it handled both small details and larger surfaces without fuss. For everyday PLA work or anything that needs a reliable, good-looking result, this spool earns its spot on the shelf. Decent stuff. Great color. No tangles. Didn't get any clogs. And when dehydrated properly, there was no issue with breaking or stringing. Number 3. ANYCUBIC PLA 3D Printer Filament 1.75mm Black. Experience enhanced 3D printing with intelligent identification chips. These integrate seamlessly, automatically recognizing printing information for a smoother, more efficient experience. Achieve precise prints every time with its consistent 1.75mm diameter and tight plus 0.02mm tolerance. This ensures smooth extrusion, minimal shrinkage, and excellent layer fusion for superior results. Enjoy a clog-free and bubble-free printing journey. It's meticulously dried and vacuum-sealed for stable, reliable performance without jams or adhesion issues. The filament is neatly wound on a reusable spool, preventing tangles and crossovers. This means less thread pulling and twisting, leading to cleaner prints with minimal stringing and warping. This high-quality filament is designed for broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with most mainstream 3D printers across a wide range of temperatures and printing speeds. Achieve the glossiest finish on your prints. It resists warping and provides a smooth, even surface, meeting all your demands for free and unhindered printing. What we like. This filament boasts intelligent identification for enhanced printing and a superior dimensional accuracy of plus 0.02mm. If you prioritize precision and a smooth, glossy finish for your prints, especially when using compatible printers, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for detailed models and functional parts where accuracy is paramount. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed and produces clean, detailed prints. It is easy to work with and feeds smoothly through the extruder without any jamming issues. The black color is consistent and provides a nice matte finish to the final product. Number 2. OVERTURE PLA Filament 1.75mm Black. Experience unparalleled precision with our filament. Its diameter is consistently maintained at 1.75mm, with a tight tolerance of plus 0.02mm, thanks to real-time monitoring and advanced control. Say goodbye to printing frustrations. Our patented clog-free formula ensures a smooth and seamless experience, while thorough drying and vacuum sealing prevent bubbles and maintain quality. Enjoy a hassle-free printing journey. Our meticulous winding process and larger spool design minimize friction and prevent tangles, allowing for smoother filament feeding. Unleash your creativity with confidence. It seamlessly integrates with most 3D printers, and our wide selection of vibrant colors offers a spectrum of possibilities for your unique projects. Print with peace of mind. We offer dedicated support and a 1-year shelf life for unopened spools, ensuring a reliable and seamless printing experience every time. What we like. Featuring a patented clog-free formula and meticulous tangle-free winding, this filament ensures a smooth and hassle-free printing journey. If you value ease of use and consistent feeding without tangles, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for users who want to maximize their printing time and minimize interruptions. What people say. Feeds smooth, tangle-free and hydrated perfectly. It is not brittle. It does not snap. It came tightly shrink-wrapped in airtight packaging. It extrudes nice and clean. Interlayer bonding is good. Surface finish is a little on the glossy side but not bad. It just lays down nice. It's well behaved. No need to buy Hatchbox or Atomic, this is just as good if not better behaved. Diameter is as described and is consistent throughout the roll. It came packaged with silica beads in a vacuum-sealed bag. It has a matte finish and the end product is not flexible at all and quite rigid. Number 1. Hatchbox PETG 3D Printer Filament. Introducing the Hatchbox PETG 3D Printer Filament. Experience exceptional dimensional accuracy with a tolerance of plus 0.03mm. This 1 kg spool of 1.75mm black filament is designed for reliable printing. For best results, maintain an extrusion temperature between 230 degrees Celsius and 260 degrees Celsius. This ensures optimal performance and print quality for your projects. Discover the best of both worlds. It offers the ease of printing like PLA with the robust strength of ABS. Enjoy odorless, lightweight, and heat-tolerant prints that are highly impact-resistant and flexible. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this filament is designed for you. Its quality and consistency make it easy to start, while its reliability allows experienced users to push creative boundaries. Experience durable, tangle-free printing with minimal warping. It bonds easily to the heat bed, providing clog and bubble-free prints every time. It's also vacuum sealed to prevent moisture absorption for high detail resolution. Choose Hatchbox for the highest quality 3D printing filaments. We are trusted in the community for our wide selection, unbeatable prices, and reliable technology for all your creative needs. What we like. This PETG filament offers a unique combination of flexibility, impact resistance, and heat tolerance, bridging the gap between PLA and ABS. If you need durable, shatterproof prints or parts that can withstand higher temperatures, this is your go-to. It's ideal for functional prototypes, protective casings, and mechanical components. What people say. This filament is great for printing detailed models. The filament has a consistent diameter, which leads to smooth extrusion. It adheres well to the print bed, reducing the chances of print failures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.